Whether or not your beneficiaries have to pay estate taxes will depend on the value of your gross estate. There are two kinds of taxes that may be levied against your estate. One is an inheritance tax, which actually is levied against your heirs or your beneficiaries based on what they might receive. And then there's estate tax, which is levied on your estate before it is distributed to your beneficiaries. There is state estate tax and there's federal estate tax. There's only about 17 states, including the District of Columbia, that levy estate and inheritance tax. South Carolina, where I practice, there is no estate or inheritance tax levied by the state of South Carolina. There is a federal estate tax for everybody, but there's an exemption amount. So the exemption is close to $13 million right now. It's at an all-time high. If your estate is not valued over $13 million when you pass away, there will be no estate tax. Now, in 2026, January 1st, 2026, that amount is going to go down. That exemption amount is going to go down to somewhere between 6 or 7 million. We're not sure exactly because it depends on the inflation rate. But if your estate is not over $13 million, if you pass away before 2026, or not over 6 or 7 million if you pass away after 2026, your beneficiaries are not going to have to pay any estate tax.